Hey guys, this is Daddy Yakky, and right now the first step is for you to prepare your table for what you will need for lip PMU. So in this segment, I'm going to show you the tools needed, and I'll be teaching you how to work on black skin lip. I've been doing that for like 5 years now, so like I'm the first person that started lip PMU in Nigeria. So now this lip PMU has a top secret that most people don't even know, and how to work on black skin. Yeah, so when I went to study in Vegas, we were told it won't work on black skin, but I found a result which one of my teacher from Russia gave me the secret. So I'm going to share that with you, and you'll be glad. And please try this after the training. So now this is my own branded lip PMU pigment. So in the case, you're gonna find this. So I have different names labeled on it. So we have red, we have pink, we have orange. I'm going to share in details with you. So that is pigment. We also need a cartridge for your lip PMU machine. So this is the cartridge. I'll be using 3RL. So you can use either 3RL or 3RS or 1RL, excuse me. The RL means round liner, so you can use either 1RL or 3RL to line the lip. That's to define the lip. Then I'll have a 5RS here. So in my advanced class, I can show you how to use other tools to achieve lip PMU without cartridge, or with other cartridges you can use, or with your microbleeding pen. So now you need a booster. The booster is going to reduce the swelling of the lip. It won't make the lip get swollen. So I use that time to time. So this is how it comes. So I've wrapped it all over so we don't get it contaminated or will cause any infection. So this is the permanent sealer. Same thing, my brand, Daddy Yakky. So the permanent sealer is to keep your pigments well settled and long lasting. So in the pack, this is how it looks like. So this is the sealant. Then we have analgesic gel. This is to reduce the swelling while I'm working. So makes my pigment for next section, like as I'm going over again for passes, it makes it settle and well deposited into the skin. This is my hand piece from my device for my shading pen. I have my gloves. I have a lip, a eyeliner brush I can use to apply the pigment, which I use to apply the numb. Then this is the lip brush I can use to apply my Aftercare when I'm done. Then this is the shaker. I'm going to shake my pigment before I use them. I have green soap in a foam bottle. I have my pigment ring. I would prefer to use the small round one. I can as well use this one too. So that's just it. And now I have my paper towel. Then cotton wool. Please don't forget cotton wool. You will need cotton wool for cleansing of the lip. So that is it, and let's get it on at the next stage.